Yabona mina
usayinela phezukwayo.
Mina ngitshelwe ukuthi uyosayinela ini ukuthi unginikeze ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthola OTP.
Yeah.
Not ukuthi lento engayisayina because into engayizwa later engasayiniswa yona wangikhipha as the main as an administrator because so you besema administrator wangikhipha ukuthi ngibe administrator yase bank.
Yeah.
Mangikhipha kube administrator yase bank, I'm only there as a director at bank. I can't transact, I can't do anything. So from 2021 angikaze ngithole imali.
Wait. Well, Bafethu, it's a boy Fly Machine, aka Sandile AM. Yeah, I'm back in Bafethu on my interview, and today I don't want to waste time. Bafethu, you are watching Durban Online Podcast, DOP, the number one podcast in KZN, if not the world. Namhlanje ngiphethe pets. Wala pets.
Sure, Pura, alright, Pura.
Ngiyaphila pets, right?
Ngikhona kakhulu, right? Sesifika nenkinga nje Brazo.
Yeah.
Siyaxolisa. Mina igama uPhethelo waNkosi, originally from Stenga. I'm in the music entertainment. Ngiqale back in 2012 where I was given an opportunity by uBrazo uShota. I started working on his label with the likes of artists like Ophumeza, Ophila Mazibuko and NDX, Ozano Eben. It's where I learned the business and ngathola ukugqumeka on how to do things within the back end of the music industries, which is managing artists, managing rollout, and making sure ukuthi i-brand iyakhula from ingakabi ilutho up until i-success. And from there, omakhelwane bethu were uDemo, they were in the same group as Ishana together with the Black Coffee. So Sanele at that time he was doing production and at DJ Lubusi. So we became friends there because bewithina abancane. So amabrazo mayahamba during the weekend we used to chill, ngifike studio ngilalela music and ngi-advise where I could advise because I was working with ama-brands athe ukuthi abe mainstream at that time. And until ngize ngimtholele i-feature ku-Brashota, we did one of the songs. Usanele ngamtholele i-feature. I think it was one of his big features, you know, on a mainstream artist. Ngamkhulumela no-Brashota and then yagcina yenzeka. Fast forward to that, and then we met, I think in 2016. I was working at Mhlanga at the time in an app developing company because in a degree of web development and app designing. So ngahlangana noSanele, and then we talked. He had ingoma kwakuthiwa Random Memories at the time. Angathi mangilalela ingoma, it's nice in a gig. That I was like, let's release this song. I released the song in 2016. I didn't become a success. Yadlala nje OYFM and then just build the name. And then we were like, let's try and do something, man. I want to open a label. Now we want to start doing something artist yako. Let's see if we can do something together. And then we were like, let's formulate a company, saqale L-World Music. L-World Music, we started in 2017. And I said, you know what, ngeke sebenze le L-World if mina ngizohlala KZN and wena uhlale Jozi. But we need to be together. So I moved up, I quit my job, I moved up to Johannesburg. Ngahamba ngayohlala nosisi wami.
Imali. You quit before you quit the job. I-experience engibone ngathi unayo bengizwa ama-artist ososebenze nawo Black Coffee, Shana nje yonke. Mhlawumbe bese kuyiminyaka emingaki?
Brashota ngiqala ukusebenza nabo just after i-2010 World Cup. So they used to come perform lana eDurban because bengenza ama-website. So bengenza ama-website for Demo. I think nginonkululeko Goqo, I did i-website ye-Black Coffee Foundation back then. And
iminingi
iminyaka se. But ama-artists engisebenze nawo kakhulu back then was yibona Ophila Mazibuko, NDX, Ozano, nabo Obradem.
Okay,
you know.
Because my next question was sihle kanje ngiyazi ukuthi konke ekuphethe kabi. Yabo, and sizokhuluma ngayo and leyo into serious. Yabo, akufanele sitatazelele ngoba whoever is watching mhlawumbe abazi ukuthi ubani. Now mina ngizama ukuthi abantu depend a good picture to ubani.
Yes.
And then you said you quit your job. So I quitted.
Quit.
You quit.
Yes.
You quit your job. What was that before? Bengi
web developer and a graphic designer.
Oh.
So kuba you web developer and a graphic designer la sifunde khona, you work with brands, you work with copyright, you work with advertising. So you do the overall of brand of brand parts. But into bengiyenza laphana, it was more into web development and designing ama assets that will go and be used for my apps, because kusetshenziswa ithombe, kusetshenziswa graphics. So that was my input. Even ngisho ngena kwi-music industry, ngaqala uBrashota ngibenzela
so nayo le
information and ngistudishile business also. So kungisizile nje ukuthi ngibe neskill esithizeni engizokwazi ukuthi ngibe le value engi-eddayo kuma artists, because even as a L-World, when you look at all the artwork, ama-album kaSanele, that has generated millions, imina engiwenzile. Onke ama-music videos uSanele anawo, aba yi-success. Imina engihlale ne-team, ngadiscussa ne-team, ngahlala nabantu abazoyibona sobakhokhela benze. I was there, ngi-executive director to all ama-music videos akhe. I paid also. I'm the one who paid. You understand? Who made the transactions. Even akasimi. You understand? Kuwo wonke ama-music videos akasimi to date.
Sure. So inkampani njengoba usonyuka-ke manje usuyeJozi, quitting your job, izinto ziqale zahamba kanjani? Like any accomplishment mhlawumbe ukuhlangana kwenu kwaba yi-success?
Ukuhlangana kwethu from 2017, our first success was Yakanamali. It was the highest played song in South Africa.
Yakanamali. Wena?
Yes. Mangase ngixoxele leyo ngoma ukuthi yenzeka kanjani, because ngathi mina mangifika lapha eGoli, babehlala eCosmos City kwelinye iflat ekuthiwa iHlanganani. It's a 2-bedroom. Angifika khona uyazi vele eGoli bangifika hayi asikhona istudio ebedroom yabona, but icomputer lesi enencegela yabona, computer yakudala, and there was ama-speakers ayekhona. I think ayesebenziswe demo music yabo, so he had speakers, he had some patanisiwe mse amajita afakile nawo ne-keyboard yabo. Mina I like to credit people, because I know leso speaker esakhipha kanamali esakuphi. I know leyo keyboard eyifakiwe yakuphi.
Ngikuzuthi Pori. Uporo ngena.
Not Upori, Ori.
This is very credit.
No.
Hayi Ori man.
No, not Ori. So leyo ngoma sayilalela after sengifike ne-iMac, because mina bengiherezela. I used to buy equipment and send my camera, because it's stuff I used to do. So even ngisho sihlangana eGoli, I'm just saying, me, I've got equipment, I've got all of these things. Let's start a company, let's roll. I know the business, I like your sound, we can grow something together. Yabo, iqale kanjalo ke masifika nale computer first day ngifikile ngehle ebhasini. Ayixhume kuba i-computer ilento ayisound kahle. Sithi asidlala ingoma ke manje. Singalali lolo busuku. Ayisilala ingoma 1 2 3 4 5. I think asifikanga ngisho ku-20. And then we found this song. Yakanamali. Ngibuza ukuthi what is this? I should know it's the guy who used to work with the soil, now he's on his own. Ngathi no, we need the song. What's but no, sometimes ngathi ngiyacela ungihlamisele noMduva. uMduva the one who's working with uDosa. Yabo. And then uMduva afike ngakusasa, afike kule flat lethu sihlala kulona line bench lasesikoleni lakudala. Alinalo ngisho isibambo
sangemuva. Sesenensimbi kanje.
Sesenensimbi, sesenensimbi yabo. Yabo. Umuntu mase meeting simnika isitulo lesaseplastiki. Sihlala ebenchini sengathi silalela uthisha.
Hayi baba mfethu ngeke kwabatsombo kanje.
Mfethu eGoli mfethu phela suke emakhaya le vela ufika unayo yonke because siyoqala. So siqale kanjalo ke, and then the song came. Hayi sayizwa ukuthi ayinansi ingoma right. And then I was like, "Ish, we need more man in the song." And then I reached out to Karabo Dibodo. Karabo Dibodo is a producer, we are add additional music. We are now umuntu who also came in and wenza sure ukuthi it's juicy the way it sounds. So they co-work together in the song. Yabo, on production. And then they made the song a smash.
Hey, it's a smash, man.
So from there, kwafika Umlindo. Yabo, because the song was viral and it was a different sound. So we needed to follow up with something similar. Then Umlindo came up.
Wait, before Umlindo, maybe how many units you sold?
Maybe it's on triple platinum.
Damn.
Yeah, it's on triple platinum. The album yokuqala nje, I think all together my nominations esiwatholile ngoSanel Musicians. For there was one point at Kuma Summers we had like more than 15 nominations.
Damn.
Yeah, but music wethu it's unama platinums amaningi. Yeah, it's just that I can't take my phone now, but usimi the album yokuqala yakhe Chukela Ferry, it went platinum. The album yakhe yesibili, it went platinum. Yabo uSanele he has Akanamali, which is maybe triple platinum. He has Sonini, which is triple platinum. He has Intabes Gute, which is also he has Buma Bumanga, he has Intingawe. All of these songs.
And you are there, my friend.
Not there, say. I was there initiating, making payments, and dragging yonke into. Because Imena, who was running and managing the talent.
The whole thing.
Talking to third parties, making sure organizer, visuals. Usanele na bewumuntu wase studio. So that's where obehlala khona.
He's just a talent.
He's just a studio talent. And then
but you also mentioning indaba yomlilo after ile Khuzana Akanamali.
Umlindo. And then after Akanamali, then we called Umlindo. Then Umlindo we did Bamthathile. Nomlindo waba mainstream after that.
And then Umlindo was under you?
No, he was not under us. So we were in talks with him. We want to work with him. But yagcina yayingenzekanga ukuthi sispane naye, wagcina seyospana namanye amalungu.
But kule collaboration yakho nayo uSanele, what was the agreement? Initial agreement when you started the company maybe by two?
Masiqala company because I'm not an artist. So it is important ukuthi abantu abafana njengami bayifunde lento because we are here now because ama-artist not all ayayenza lento enziwa uSanele, whereby you start something together nivumelane, but manje when ifame isifika nemali isifika wena ongemuva awusekho laphana, you understand? So abantu bayakushiya, you understand? So when we started Tina noSanele, I was like, bra, kine experience eningi, I'm coming to put value in this. Yabo akukakabi khona lutho. Akho akanamali, akho lento sihlezi nalezi zitulo nje nalama bench. Ngisho ukuthi hayi mina ndoda, in order ukuthi sisebenze we have to open a company. Esokwazi ukurelease under yona. Because we can't have you now mase sambe sokusayinela universal bazokuthatha universal mina yabo because bengil understandile business before that. I worked in a label enama artist adumile yabo. So I was like, mfethu, in order for us to grow nami ngibona ukuthi let's start a company, you're going to be the first artist in the company. Fine, siyenze leyo nto, si register CIPC, siwo partner sobabili sharp. And then we do this first song yabo, it figures it be success. And then we start working on Usimi now. Yabo Usimi first kwaba khona we did a song with her, it became a success, and we had a lot of songs as he said. Then I was like, you know what, let's invest, because now sezikhona ingoma to work from. We have invested on the first singles, we shoot established. So it's just follow up. And the third parties, they are requesting us to know, give us some artists. So in the label, iqale lapho ukuthi now we have music owenziwe osele.
So maneuver kanjani?
How do we maneuver now ukuthi to protect this music and to have it go out? So sagcina sesithi let's sign uSimi first. We sign uSimi, she became a success. Yabo. And then next we sign Umthunzi because we've already made hit songs with them. So it was easy for
to
us
work with them,
to continue. Hit song. So we already had hit songs. So it was easy for us to get even a producer in-house because Elwell being an eye producer yote usanele akusiye nje producer
is like this guy.
Yes, hence the name of the label is Elwell. Because the city see pusha is sound. You understand? It's sound, it's fine. You can be the pioneer of the sound. But you're not the sole owner of everything. Akusiye wena okufanele decide ukuthi thina sifola malini sifola kanjani it's a company enama directors amabili yabo. So into iqale ukushintsha wena brazo after sesirelease onke lama album came COVID. So COVID
that is 2020,
that is 2021 COVID yaqala ngo March 2020, March 25
March 20 the COVID iqale March 2020.
March 2020. Yes.
20 something. Just njengoba February isazikuthiwa just after February kusazoba March 2020.
Yazi kanjani mina
maybe 2019 maybe si wrong.
No
2020.
Ukuthi phela mina ngashada ngo 20 ngabe mina obheda
2020 right.
But ake ngithi ke ekuqaleni kwa COVID thina kuyibona ukuthi iyaba khona was 25 March. 25 March we had planned ukwenza ama shows ethu as Elwell. Because sasesikhulile at the time.
Senibheka ama festival.
Sasiqale phela 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020. So it's 4 years now running with ama artists amakhulu. So we were already having ama shows ethu ko Botswana, ko Swaziland on our own. So kwathi kufika iCovid, that's when we had our first big show. Botswana, a festival. So yagcina ngamaterialize kanga ke leyo nto ukuthi kwenzeka because ama shows esaswenza yaza yasiza kuphi ayesiza ukuthi ama artists esinawo lawa ayengagig we are able to generate money for them so that they are able to pay rent nabo bakhokhele nabantu also who work within the company. We have ama label managers we have ama road managers, we have people abenza zonke lezi zinto nama producers. So makufika iCovid ke brazo we have partners khona ipartner ngeke ngiwadalula ngamagama. So khona omunye usisi nje one of our third party partners what hey guys, we see that it's COVID and you have invested so much on your own money into the artist. Into esifuna ukunisiza ngayo, just write us a blank check. Yabo? Nisho or write anything that you're gonna need for the whole year and 2 years. Yabo? Ukuthi i-rent, ama artists, ama lawyers nikhokhela malini so that you can survive. Ngisho partner wami partner naba belungu bathi hayi bangasiza kulento abantu they don't have to go home yabo bathi hayi no abahamba yabo. So uyaqala lapho ke mfethu into whereby umuntu useyicabangela yena. So I remember there was a point uAzana wayekhala yabo ingoma yakhe Your Love, that song there Your Love was doing well yabo ku top 10 nakukhozi. But ama artists sometimes they don't understand the royalties afika after some time, maybe 6 months after the song is performed. So she was naye ne pressure ekhaya hayibo mfethu manje ushintshe na marketing yabo. So she gave us the pressure. We say guys, when is these things coming?
Do something.
So angayibona lapho mfethu lento iqala because usanele nobhuti wakhe basuke emoy river, mina ngihlala eSteng. Bangifonela bathi asiyeka azana useqala manje ukukhuluma izinto yabo. I was like I was ngihamba yabo sesifike Chesterville siyangena ngiyabona kuyabheda yabo. So kukhulunywe ukuthi asho izinto zakhe ukuthi mina ngikhala ngokuthi ingoma iyasebenza yabo, but angiboni nasekhaya ne-radio nabantu yabo. Instead of thina as people who know ukuthi khamba kanjani to explain ukuthi you know what, ingoma mase siyifakile it takes lambe 6 months ukuthi ikhophe, and after sesiyifakile ingoma suke sesi-investile. You may invest 100,000 ku-music video or in the making, mixing, mastering yonke. So sometimes imali ngeke uyithole kahle, but indlela upartner wami ayithatha ngayo, he made it clear that day, even though kwangithatha isikhathi ukuthi no, it's not about everyone because at that time we could solve the situation
right there and then
not ukuthi uze umtshele umuntu ukuthi akayilutho njengoba ubona le ngoma idlala lapha imina yabona nje yabo. I felt that I felt that day, but sikubo kaAzana ngisuke stand. I felt that yabo, but I am in partnership and now these are brothers yabo. Lo munye akekho ku CIPC mina nalo, but ama decisions enzekayo aya influence umuntu ongekho la yabo. And then angazi kwenzekani ke emva kalokho yabo, angazi noAzana mina ngibuke kanjani because I was with the team.
No, obviously now umuntu nje wamdayisa
yabo,
because nifika liyabuka amakhethina wheel amakhabetha yabo khukudla kuyawa, and then usanele does this thing and then
yabo. And fast forward to that, enye futhi incident eyenzeka uMthunzi angakusho nalokho. In the midst of COVID futhi sina music, Mthunzi finish his album, almost everybody uqedile izinto sine artwork yabo, and we are struggling vele ukuthi imali iyahamba yabo, like we have to pay for all these guys ama rent yabo. Siyabona kule nyanga
maybe roughly how much money you have the time estimation
at the time,
since you guys paying everyone rents, food and transport as a company?
Even though sasqala but we had money because we had ama deals, ama sync deals, we had Gigagana Mali, which we did plus minus 1.5 million with it. We had the highest played song, so we were generating from all the CMOs, your Capasso, your Samro, plus ama giga benzeka. And we are also making our own events, partnering with ama promoters from abroad. I remember post Sengaseko Active, the guys continued doing ama L-World Music Experience. They did one in Swaziland, they did one in Lesotho, they did one in Moyo River, and I think they did one in one of these countries, Pezula. I'm not sure Kenya, noma ile eseceleni kweKenya. So I company beyenza imali, like even right now uMthunzi is a mainstream artist, uSinomsolo is a mainstream artist. So bonke abantu that we invested kubona abaxoshwa ngoba baxoshwa labantu. uMthunzi he didn't finish his term as a L-World, wahamba esele nama album out2, but the company has invested more than $500,000 on that. What I know akahambe imali asiyidingi. But what about me as a partner who's not the face?
But you are there behind the scenes.
I'm there behind the scenes, fixing everything,
running the area.
Baba eyami imali yengane efanelini ukuyoshoot music video because I understand the vision. Yabo. So kwafika 2021 kwaba yileyo nto ukuthi I know the guys must go home. How they must go home? Because we've requested ukuthi we can get help to make sure ukuthi abantu balento. I know abahambi ukuthi it's fine, bengahamba, we have the music, we have ama assets, let's give them at least some small money bahambe, and then we are able to continue siba release music yabo siqede ngabo, because we don't have to be together.
Sure.
So I ukuthi no yonke lento ayiphela. Akafuna ama-artist yena ufuna ukusala noSini.
Ufuna ukusala noSini.
Ufuna ukusala noSini.
Usanelo. It feels like usanele bese vele seqala kuba ne-attitudes towards everything. Maybe yini lemnika the ama-rights yokuthi a-dictate what to do.
I think into emenza ukuthi enze lokho, I remember because yonke lento enzeke ku-COVID, into ebikhona mina naye on the business account we are both ama administrator yabo.
Yeah.
So if ngifuna ukutransacta I can transact, but he has to give me the OTP to approve. Naye the vice versa.
Yeah.
So I think during COVID he complained ukuthi is unable to get me yabo. Sometimes when I make quick payments and mina ngikho, sometimes mangisekhaya attending things. Kwaba into kanjalo esiyidiscussile ukuthi yabona mfethu we need to do this thing. And then I get a call ngidlalele one of the days ngigula like I was sick still with COVID. Ayasho say ebank sekuyakwazi ukuyeka khona yabo umuntu eyedwa singakwazi ukuthi uyongenzela le yanto le ukuthi ngithole i-message nami ngikwazi ukwenza ama transaction. Ngamtshela ukuthi ngiyagula ayiwangincenga angathi because ngihlala vele next to Northgate yabo. It's bank is like 5 minutes away. It's let me take a drive ngiye lapha. Masifika lapha ebank siya straight kumjita esijwayele ukuthi ahambishe izinto zethu ngorendani every time nje nama ngebank ngisizwa yena and we even wait ebank ukuthi I not asifuna ukukhuluma nobani nangu umuntu wethu. So siye ebank ngigula nginjalo angifike sihlangana ema parking ngesingene ebank singene ebank sihlale phansi mahlala phansi afike urendani athi prepare to write hayi ngiyagula mfethu kodwa ngi-right athi hayi nanka amaphepha mfethu uyazi uzokwenzani. Yabo
shuthi already sekhona ukuhambelile la
yabona
when the only thing you need to do sign
and then
fake isithupha sign
angitshelwanga ukuthi
sekhona i-agreement esevele
yabona mina
usayinela phezukwayo
mina ngitshelwe ukuthi uyosayinela ini ukuthi unginikeze ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthola OTP not ukuthi lento engayisayina because into engayizwa later engasayiniswa yona wangikhipha as the main as an administrator because so you besema administrator wangikhipha ukuthi ngibe administrator yasebank. Mangikhipha kube administrator yasebank I'm only there as a director ebank. I can't transact, I can't do anything. So from 2021 angikaze ngithole imali.
Wait. We mentioned indaba zo 1.2 million nje and kunama royalties la kunama everything inkampani imali biyenza since 2021 awukazi uthole ngisho cent.
Ngingasho ukuthi since 2021 till last year was 2025. So akazange nike lutho from 2021 to 2025. Not ukuthi bengam engage. I've been engaging with lawyers. I've been trying to have a sit down yabo bebengiziba nje ngiba civil yabo and just ukunikeza benefit of the doubt. Yabo even though ngazi ukuthi wangiremove nge-fraud asiyikhulumanga leyo but ngathi angimnikeza benefit of the doubt naye as a director to run the business from 2021 till 2025 because mina from 2017 I've invested in everyone and it's evident. I've bought him imoto abalento ngazi. I've bought cars for them. I've took Ingane to private school. In my term of being an administrator. But since yena angikhipha kuba administrator I had to fight for 4 years up until wangidilute.
What do you mean mock dilute?
Dilute we were supposed to be 50-50 partners. You understand? In the company. Because the company is me and him, and the company has assets. I was Sanel musician, I was Simi, I was Mtunzi, now wonke lamanye amabala. So Tina, we were supposed to be there. So wanganginiki imali yami all of this time or whatever dividend he thinks I deserve. He can only agree to give me my money only if I give Tata out 80%. So my 20% must go.
So maybe the estimation got 30%. We are looking at how much. Let's say you agree to take the 30%.
If we agree with 30%, I know Okapaso for sure from 2021 till to date, there's more than 2.5 million. Awusungenile we account yase Elwell.
Yeah.
I'm not sure whether isekhona leyo mali noma ayikho.
Yeah.
Royalties, which is the master rights of the sound recording.
Yes.
Streams. Ingoma zama album awu4 ase generate imali more than 7 million after mina nga accounted.
Awubalwa ndawo la.
Angikho lapho mina mfowethu.
Damn.
And I'm sure namanye ama artists awekho mhlawumbe artist elikhokhelayo lilodwa engeke ngilimention. Yeah uzoyibambela wena ukuthi lona yeah yabo but bonke abantu abaze bakhokhela. Yabo.
So roughly the guy who Sanel is sitting maybe over, let's say, over 10 million
in debt.
Yes, in debt. You can say
no,
that.
It can't be. It's more than that.
It's
because
more than
now,
that.
I mean, ngibale ama royalties or 7 million ngabala uKapaso. Yabo. What about ama sync deals? Yabo. We just did a sync deal ka 1.4 million 3 months ago.
Yeah.
Yabo. They were supposed to pay me imali yami 30%.
Yeah.
They failed. They paid me 100,000.
Yeah.
Instead of 240,000.
Yeah.
Whereby they owe me for the past years, but they still paying me. How can you fail to account? Ngeke uthi ungikweleta imali more than $1 million, mawuthola 30,000, unginezo 9,000 or 30%.
No, vele sokuyifraud.
Yabo.
So my man, le mali inkulu kakhulu bese, and I feel like bakushaya ngempela lana. And yabo, I know story sakho sikanje khona umfethu angam-interviewa la kuthiwa umkhulu yabo. Naye wenza njengawe usiza enze yonke into uvula nenkampani. But njengoba sesidlana ke manje nawo unemali ongakayitholi, unemali ofanele uyithole, kunemali oyaziyo ukuthi is there. Yini ofisa uyenzeke ngempela ngoba phela singakhuluma sikhulume and thulo mfethu lo soqeqe kakhulu nabameli but kuyafana. But for you ukuze ube at peace, what exactly do you really want to happen?
I wanna at this time because uBrazix ungifonele uZix bantwini I think 2 weeks back. I think he was instructed by uSanele ukuthi sikhulume and lento ingabi online yabo sizame ukuthi silungise, of which is into ebengizama leyo for more than 4 years. Yabona naye ngamchazela ukuthi mina into engangijabulisa yini. So uBrazix uyazi ukuthi yini engidingayo. And also uyile kwi podcast ka Bra Oskido wathi yena izinto akafuni ukuthi zenzeke in publicly. How can they not happen in publicly? Because he is failing ukuthi sihlangane.
Okay. Yabona technical tactic noma technical yenzayo. It's a very same tactic engiyaziyo yenziwa abantu abathize. Ukuthi umuntu ufike mhlambe abuse somewhere. Yabo. But mase lokho kubamba ngalo line ukuthi asingayi public.
Yes.
Wena manje lokho follow lento ongayi public. Kanti uyazi ukuthi udelay nje process.
100%.
Yebo leyo. So uma eya kwi Crotman lapho Oskido, I think I saw that interview because Oskido nayo sene yakhe podcast where he still nama musicians and artists. Lapha I feel like uyofuna ukuzenza umuntu ongcono engathi ngiyamsukela
100% because ngayibuka nami akubuzwa imibuzo ukuthi ubani lo partner. Uqinisileni bathi ngenza ama allegations, ngenza kanjani ama allegations ngibe ngine paperwork, ngibe ngikhona in the business account. Yabo ngibe ngisho futhi ukuthi I was not aware, I was made to sign into engayazi, I was sick. Upartner wami yena wathi uyongisayinisa enye into. After doing that anginankinga ukuthi he is the main administrator. But akenze izinto ezi-right, akhokhela abantu ngendlela. Yena mase efuna ukuba yedwa akasho ukuthi hayi iLworld Music
senginge
hayi mfethu sibisebenze kamnandi, mina sengicabanga ukuthi ngibe under the sun or under the moon. Yabo. Then we'll support you with your under the moon, but iLworld iyenze i-catalog. Ayibambile manje akusiye yakhe yedwa. You understand? It belongs to me. Yeah, not ukuthi ngiyayiclaim ama-allegations. I mean, I'm in there.
Yeah.
I am in there. That's my thing. Usanele simfundisa ukukhuluma, ukuwalker.
Yeah.
Yonke into that has to do with the brand. I can call baningi abantu. Mina mangasubuze nge-L-World, abantu ekusayinwe onke ama-deal. Imina ngiwasayinile ama-deal. Enze imali. From 2021 till to date. Yiphi ingoma yaziyo kaSanele sesuphase onke lo music esesenzile. What's wrong with that? Awuyibuzi ngani? Uthi yini inkinga? Apha ama producers bapha abantu behind.
Everybody's gone.
Yeah, there's a lady ekuthiwa uMosimo. That lady wahamba ekhala. Umuntu esaqala naye kwakufanele we in charge ngebrand kaSini enza ama bookings and she helped the company. Waxoshwa kabuhlungu leyo muntu. Mase xoshiwe kwafakwa umngani. Kwafaka umuntu kamngani ukuthi arane leyo business. Lo muntu usedla ini i-commission yomuntu oqale into from inception. So into le engayibona from a distance uthi ayiyenzeka but nami ngingaboni. Yabo until it hits me directly sengiyibona.
No, but uSanele isela nje.
Hayi isela and ayena yedwa
isela nje.
Ayena yedwa
nje ngeke kusidambithisa ngokuthi fraud isela nje. But there needs to be justice kubo bonke abantu abanje. Yabo. Whether what you want ukuthi kwenzeke kuSanele. I understand ukuthi sikhulumile ukuthi njengamanje ufanele uthole into zakho manje. But yabo manje before sivale le show because angifuni sikhulume umdandi ngifuna nami ubuka lapho bra wami uyibona ukuthi wenza into wrong kubra wami. Yini ngempela ekufanele siyenze? Sifuna ukubona imali kwi-account kusasa, sifuna ukuqhubeka sisebenze ndawonye sisekeshe izinto zethu or sifuna ukuthi mhlawumbe siqolelwane phele kanjalo.
Mina mfethu into engiyifisayo angiboni ukuthi uxolelana mhlambe kusazoba khona because sengi-damaged kakhulu yabo. It's been years ngi-deprived izinto ezi-rightfully to belongs to me. So into engiyifunayo mina is to sit down and sicacise ukuthi i-partnership yethu ne-L-World sibekaphi. Imali that I'm owed ikhokheleka kanjani yabo. Singaze siye enkantolo yabo. My lawyers na team yami is waiting. They've been trying ukuthi ikhulume naye. I was in Johannesburg last week. I called Bra Oscar. Wamfonela naye uSanele. Yabo. Wambuza uthi hey nangu uphethe usekhona. Asihlanganeni phela silungise le ndaba. Wathi usalinde i-date. It's been almost 2 weeks now waiting for the date. Mina I've been waiting for 4 years.
Hey.
Because uyena ophethe authority ukuthi kuphume imali kwinkampani. Mina angifuni ngisho azange reinstate kwinkampani ukuthi ngizoba i-administrator. Yabo. Ngifuna say I'm done. Mina ngifuna what I own kubuyele ngakumina. You understand? Naye ngaqhubeka. Yabo. But i-L-World i-catalog esiyenzile izo perform for isikhathi eside and I'm not willing to sell it over. Yeah, so I think.
But do you think Kabusana have rights to a catalog? Or everything manje belongs to him?
Yazi ngendlela i-company yethu sayi-structure ngayo because njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngiqale no-Bra Shota. So we invested yonke into thina into our business. So i-artist besilisusa lisebenza la lisebenza khona. Siliyekisa umsebenzi sithi what's the goal? Uhola malini sokukhokhela. Urenta malini simrentele thina simthengele ingubo. Senze no music. So i-L-World Music owns all their masters. So Sanele Music doesn't own his masters, Simi doesn't own a masters, Tuzi doesn't own the album yakhe. We own because we paid for everything. So it's between me and him. We are the owners. Mina no Sanele Stole own uSanele Musician. Well,
so you can't sell those things.
Because the L-World Music paid for everything that Sanele Musician has. That's a fact. And it was done by me. I was the visionary in those things. He was the music. I was the business. Now that the business is making millions, I need to be cut out. now because he can speak to Uzexi and a direct.
Yeah, so
Yabo, mina ngiyazi izinto ngazi okuningi. I know how he was hurt and now manje is buddies with wonke umuntu.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Basically you are the intellect. He is just a talent.
Yeah.
But now usays kushuthi khona lo I'm convinced ukuthi akayidle le mali.
Mfethu uyazi enye into ekhona. People baqala beyithobile yabo, especially kule industry it's either sports or anything. But once the fame comes manje uBrafly usekuyena ofonela wena yabona, then now the ego ungazuyicabanga uzucabanga ukuthi usune doctorate manje sekufanele kulalelwe wena. So it's the same thing labantu abayenzayo mfethu, imali iyabahlula, imali nje imali iyabahlula.
Inkinga yama artist wonke South Africa when ifame nemali phela konke,
kanti imali iyaphela mfethu, iyaphela. You understand?
No, Pet, later ngeke ngithi mina I'm really sorry ngoba we out ngiyakuzwa. It's just nje lento yenzekile le East ngoba yenziwa umuntu ohlale eGoli. Yabo kumina kuvele kube nalento ukuthi kushuthi le mpatha yaseThekwini. Yabo, I feel that narrative iyangenela. I'm not saying ikwenso kanjalo but yabo abantu abenza kanje bavamisa ukuthi hayi ngeke mfethu lokho hlangana nale mpatha yaseThekwini. Sesikhulume konke mfethu, you need to have your money back. And I'm sure the necessary steps ukuthi uthole le mali so wenzile. But manje ngiworried ukuthi njengoba manje nakushoda usazokunika isikhathi, usafanele ukuthola ke date. Ayikho into ongayenza nje mfethu ukuthi uthathe yonke into okuhlangane nokwakho nje mfethu uphume kule.
Mfethu ngaphandle
ungasakhuluma nje naye azi ukuthi hayi sekuwukuthi nokuthi. Asale nemali asala nayo.
I think mfethu ngendlela ze process nomthetho because indaba yethu it's a civil case, akusiyo nje into ongayenza nje noma izikuphi ema police stage. So into ethatha isikhathi, I have a legal team engageayo nabo, and we do have an application to take this matter to High Court, even though it's gonna be costly. Yabo, for everyone, mind you, mina ke njengoba ngiswishiwe. You understand? So it's inzima yabo because uyenza ngamaSibomu kuyitrap, but knowing that I'm innocent yabo, ngisho kuthiwa siyafika isikhathi sesofika sidlule yabo. So ilokho nje mfethu, but I am willing to sit down sihlale before easy escalate because there's so many people abakweletwayo. Yabo, akusimi ngedwa
manje nawe futhi uyathindeka kukweletweni kwalabanye abantu.
Inkinga abantu bayifuna kumina imali yabo because they know ukuthi mina who was running the thing. So mina sengibalekela abantu, even uSARS ngifuna phansi phezulu ngebhizinisi engayenzi imali ngalo. You understand? So uSARS uzofuna imali.
Now
angikaze ngithenge ijuice ngaleyo mali, kodwa mina fanele ngikhokhele leyo mali.
Sure, but you know yenzayo manje to make the ends meet.
Engiyenzayo manje, I'm still active within the music industry. I've got a label ekuthiwa Redbox, mhlawumbe uzoyibona post i-COVID with senza ama-live music nama-artists omthunzi no-Azan. I have an active record label. I have partners. I work with Platoon. I work with Africori. I have Nobuhle as the first lady of the Redbox. So we've been working for close to 3 years now. So we've released 2 albums. She's releasing an album next month. I'm working with Abo Isake, producers amancane. So I'm still active, helping the community. Ngiyasebenza no Brazo Professor. I've worked on his project ekugcineni nama singles zakhe last year. So nomthunzi, I administrate izinto zabo, contracts, making sure ama release ayenzeke. So ngibusy nje. Ngiyabo but ilento engikhuphayo ukuthi hayibo angikwazi ukuya phambili kube khona umuntu ongikweletayo azi ukuthi uyangikweleta ngoba ungenza isiliva, yazi ungenza isiliva kanjani into ebuhlungu.
Yazi wakubona ukuthi uyagula mfethu wangana
mfethu yabona
wabona abantu bethi nje uyagula, this is the time.
Yabo because into ekhona mfethu mina ngakhiphela i-account yami ikhombisa ama-payments. So December he paid me 130k, March he paid me 100k, dating back. But why engangikhokheli imali yami le and why imali yami ya current angangikhokheli yonke? Futhi mina nje ngilebhare nje fanele idlelwe imali.
Over okay, ngicela ukuvala ngale imali enocabanga ukuthi akusha.
Maybe it's over 15 million.
Baloyo Sanele.
Yeah, Sanele Sithole.
Sanele Sithole. Imali yomuntu.
Kungonza ngishawe umuntu waseJozi yabo waseMamelodi ukhuluma enye language. Manje lana mfethu sonke siyakhela into ngesizotha.
Hayi Sanele music. Balo Sanele music or Sanele
hey, angazi sengathi say under the sun.
Okay, Bafethu. You are watching Depend Online Podcast, DOP, the #1 podcast in KZN, if not the world. Basically, no party. Kuna indaba yakhe ukuthi Neuro Sanele and music over 15 million rands. Cela Bafethu ukuthi uyabuka. Awusithintile lapha kwi-comment section. Usithintile lapha kwi-comment section. Also ukuthi how do you feel about this whole situation? Yomkhaya, ekimali yomkhaya. Beqala from the scratch, from the ground. Then into mesiphezulu umuntu sabona ngathi ungcono ngoba uthatha imali yabaleka. Stick around. Sabonga kakhulu ukuthi nibuke le episode. Khona ufuna ukusho nje mfethu God.
Hayi bengifuna nje ukusho ukuthi abafowethu sibaningi sikule situation and it's very difficult, especially my artist, to speak up because now it's your brand out there, and especially if we tina because ngemove. But I urge you guys, ngiyabaza abanye guys musana ukufela ngaphakathi. If we don't stand up for ourselves, this industry izosha. Yeah, and wonke umuntu on a G-Wagon should be investigated. Yeah.
Yeah. Wonke umuntu on a G-Wagon should be investigated.